Look at this. Look at this. We got a full house tonight. And again, we are the Ninja of Another Color. I'm your host, Pottley. With this bright ass light in my face, I hope you can see what the the hat says. It says welcome back. Yes. Welcome back to our Cuban ninjas. Yes. They were gone from a lot far, far away. They were on another continent. But we are back together. Okay, before we start, I'm gonna say this again. If you buy stuff off of eBay and it's not the original price, it is a replica. It is not the original. You cannot get overfed hot toys for $75. No, absolutely not. And with that saying, we are the ninjas on the color.